welcome back to my channel. This is Harshita Chaudhary. Finally, Doftawad, congratulations. Matlab, what kind of patamizi is this, right? But yeah, the last video I posted was all about flex seeds, and I hope that video was quite informative and helpful. And agar आप पहली बार मुझे देख रहे हैं and this is the first time we are talking. Hi, this is Harshita Chaudhary once again, and I make YouTube videos related to makeup and clothing and beauty and skincare and anything you want I can make. फिलहाल तो यही चल रहा है अभी. So without any further ado, let's begin. So for this video I'm going to show you easy yet beautiful Indian glam makeup. So let's begin, shall we? So I have washed my face. I have applied moisturizer. I have toned my face. Now we have to apply. What is the first step, guys? So this is the primer I have been using. The One Illusion face primer. So for this, for my foundation, I'm going to use this Soapfeel foundation, skin-based foundation. This is a France-based company, and it obviously makes makeup products. You can go check it out, their website. I will put the link in the description, and you can go look out and order any makeup product that you want under the code HARSC20 and avail the discount. Yeah. तो अब actually जब मैंने ये product मंगाया, this is a foundation. Obviously I haven't tested it yet. इसका ये है कि बहुत अच्छी तरह blend होता है, and I'm going to tell you कि how it feels, and yeah. So let's try this. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand. Yeah, can you see? This is white. स्मार्टनेस देखो, मैंने इतना सा लिया था, इतना सा बस, लिटरली आई शोड यू, इतना सा था वो, और पूरा फेस कवर हो चुका है. मेरे को अपनी साइड से ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, यू नो, आई डोंट लाइक मच makeup and all. So the next step is obviously we're going to apply. We're going to set this makeup. I'm going to use this Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. So I'm going to use this Chocolate Hill palette. थोड़ा बुरा हाल कर रखा है मैंने इसका, जबकि अभी भी आई थी. Okay, so we are going to use this. पहले हम थोड़ा मेक श्योर थोड़ा आप थोड़ा लाइट उससे शुरू करो, क्योंकि जब आप डार्क लगाओगे तो वो थोड़ा और यू नो पॉप अप करेगा. तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू स्प्रेड दिस ऑल ओवर माय लिड. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई फॉरगॉट टू. सो मेरा दिमाग देखिए, मैंने पूरा मेकअप कर लिया था, पूरा नहीं मतलब आईज पूरी कंप्लीट कर ली थी, और उसके बाद देखा कि रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हो रहा. सच में पूरा हो गया था, और फिर मैंने ऊपर देखा यार ये तो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हो रहा. सो यू कैन सी कि एक आईज मैंने दोनों कंप्लीट कर ली थी, बट अब मैंने ये वॉश क्लीन किया है जस्ट टू शो यू कि एक्चुअली व्हाट डिड आई डू. सो पहले आपने देख लिया था कि आई यूज द लाइटेस्ट कलर विच वॉज
वो लाइटेस्ट लगा लिया है. इसके बाद वी हैव टू जंप फॉर अ बिट डार्कर शेड व्हिच इज दिस वन. मैं इसको अपने पूरे आईलिड पे लगाऊंगी. हाँ, लाइक दिस. ओके, सो इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद यूजिंग ब्रशेस,
jump for the dark brown. and start with the
other corner of your eye and blend it inside. हमें तो ग्लैम में ग्लिटर भी तो चाहिए. So I'm going to go for this burnt orange. दिखेगा नहीं ऐसे, मैं दिखाती हूँ. Wait. Now see this burnt orange. I'm going to apply on the inner corner से शुरू करके बीच में लाएंगे. And ignore this. Inner corner से शुरू करके बीच में लाएंगे.
I'm done with my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to apply liner. Obviously बिना liner
के तो और eyes अधूरी हैं. Now we're done with the liner. We're going to jump to mascara. You can go for eyelashes. मुझे eyelashes touch की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So I'm good with the mascara only.
Oh, by the way, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara Permanent Lengthening. काफी. Ooh. Can you see? Okay, so the next step is blush. So I'm going to use this dark brown lipstick for my lips, and I'm going to use this brush for this. Make sure
You outline it first, and then fill it in. अगर outline करते हो ना तो वो lipstick का और effect it comes beautiful. इतना सुंदर सा लगता है.
I'm done with the makeup. My eyes. See.
Can you see that? For your eyebrow.
Let's change this western outfit to some Indian one. Why not? So I'm back with this. You can wear, you can do this makeup ऐसे भी. जैसे I'm just wearing this झुमका. Obviously, Indian glam is what? Adhura without jhumkas and big. I'm loving myself right now. I just want to go out. Why can't I go out wearing this? I can, but there is no function, no? If this video was helpful and you liked it and you liked the look I created, the Indian glam makeup, so make sure you like the video. Make sure you like it, comment and share with your friends, girlfriends and everywhere, and rock it. Yeah, I'm sure you're going to rock this look. Every girl is going to rock this look. Just try it and practice. It's not that hard. And yeah, also subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you don't miss out on any new updates, and follow me on Instagram to see the pictures of this beautiful look. Yeah, I'm going to post now. I'm going to click pictures now. Okay, bye.